Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming two essentials, your UAN and the mobile number linked to it. Once you have those, open the UAN portal in a modern browser and sign in using your UAN and current password or the OTP option. If you cannot recall the password, select Forgot Password Now, follow the OTP verification on your registered mobile. Make sure the number displayed is correct, because the reset flow sends codes to that device. Once authenticated or in the reset flow, choose whether to change password directly or to reset via OTP. Complete the OTP and CAPTCHA steps carefully. Enter your new password twice to confirm accuracy. Use a strong, memorable phrase with letters, digits, and a special character. This reduces lockouts. Make sure you meet length and complexity requirements shown on screen. After submission, wait for the success confirmation. Do not close the browser. After changing the password, log out and sign in again to verify the update. This confirms the change worked and avoids future access issues. If OTPs do not arrive, make sure your mobile number matches the one linked to the UAN. Contact your employer to update it if needed. If you encounter persistent errors, note the exact error message and time, then reach the EPFO help desk with your UAN and mobile details. They can reset or advise next steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.